Welcome back to this course, and we're going to try and talk about writing a mail. We're going to explore our first AI tool, which will be writemail.ai, and we're going to use it to write our first email, and that's what we're going to do right away. So I use writemail.ai to write a personal email. You can write a business email with this, but this is just a way to show you that you can write an email with AI, and this is writemail.ai right here, and it has extension for those that will be interested in enhancing Gmail, Outlook, and Hotmail with writemail.ai extension. And right here, you have a template where you can compose a new email with AI or write a reply with AI. Maybe you want to reply a mail, you can actually use the write a reply with AI. And if you want to start your email writing, you have your name right there, you the sender, that's your name right there, and to who are you sending it to, and the intent of your mail. So I'll just create an intent, whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to write a cold email to a business, or let's say I'm a tech reviewer and I want to write an email to get a review unit from Infinix Mobile. So I'll say, help me write an email as a tech reviewer that I am on YouTube. So I want to write an email that will request for like review unit, smartphone unit for the latest Infinix phone. Okay, so I will say a tech reviewer on YouTube that needs Infinix 40 Pro mobile device review units. So this is just a mail to request for a review unit. So I'm going to continue with that. I'm going to click I'm not a robot. Of course, I'm not a robot, and I've clicked I'm not a robot, and I'm going to write my first email. So write email with AI. Just click on the button write email with AI, and it's going to write the email for you in a matter of seconds. Right? You can leave it as professional, and you can just leave it as professional because this is a professional mail. You can write your business mail, you can write whatever mail you want to send. You can use this particular AI tool to write it. So these are first AI tool in this course, and these are practical ways you can use it to write your email. So we leave it at medium, and we'll leave it at that. So always ensure your email is like moderate in size, so it's not too long for people to read, so it does not bore them out. So I'll come to my Gmail to compose a mail. So I'm going to wait for it to write the email. Is going to compose the write mail.ai will compose our first email for us, and this is right, it has composed it for us. So I'll go back to my Gmail and try to compose my first email using the email the AI has written for us. We're going to use as a template to send our first email, and this way we've written an email with AI. So all you're going to do is to copy the subject, copy the body. So we have the subject, it creates the subject and it creates the body. So you can reach out. I'm reaching out to express my interest in reviewing the Infinix 40 Pro on my YouTube channel, where I specialize in tech reviews and insights. With a growing audience keen on the latest smartphone technology, I believe featuring your device could provide valuable exposure. And we are going to copy that, and we're going to compose our first email. Click compose in your Gmail. We are going to click on compose to compose our first email. So we're going to compose our first email. I'm going to copy the subject. I'm going to copy the subject, and I'm going to copy the subject to compose. So we're writing to Infinix. Once I click on compose, this is how you compose an email. It's going to ask for where you want to send the email to. So you have to look for an email address that addresses Infinix. Okay. So I'm going to look for Infinix email address on Google. I'm going to look for that, and I'm going to copy the subject from here. I'm going to use that as the subject of my email. I'm going to copy that and paste it right here. I'm using Ctrl V to paste, or you paste through this way. So I'm going to copy the second. I'm going to copy the body as well. I'll copy that right here and use Ctrl V to paste it, or you right click and paste, just the same way I did for the subject. I'm going to do a little editing for this particular email. Just go through and edit everything that you need to edit. Like for instance, I'll just leave the best regards below the IGB. I remove the YouTube channel, edit, and here is our Infinix email. We are going to get an email where we can send. We're going to use the global media relations email to send this request, and I'm going to send the request for you. I'm going to paste it. Use Ctrl V to paste the address. You can send more than one. You can send to more than one recipient, but right now we're sending to one recipient. You can paste more email addresses to send, and yeah, you're going to edit this. There's a place it says mention any known feature of Infinix 40 Pro. So I'm going to just edit that and put the latest feature of Infinix 40 Pro, and we are going to have our email completed that way. So right now I'm back here. I'm just going to edit this and paste the latest features. I'm going to paste the unique features, and to do that, I've gone to Google to search for Infinix 40 Pro unique features. I'm just going to copy and paste the features right here. I'm going to copy the features. So I have it all copied, and I'll use Control C to copy. That's the shortcut for copy, or you right click and copy. Then you come here to paste. You're going to use Control V to paste. You're going to use Control V to paste easily, and I'm going to have it edited to suit the purpose of we using this. So I'm going to say my channel focuses on in-depth reviews, comparisons, and tutorials, and I have a track record of influencing consumer choices. The unique features of Infinix 40 Pro, such as fast charging, processor display, 120 Hz FHD plus super touch display with a magic ring camera. So I have that edited and it's perfect this way. Then I'm going to have it sent. Just click on send, and it's going to send your first email. We've written an email with AI, and we've sent our first email with AI. This is a personal email. You can write a business email as well, and we are going to talk more about email marketing. I hope you've read the PDF, you've done the exams, or to get certified in email marketing. So I'm going to view the message I sent over here, and yes, the message looking so good. And that will be all for now. We'll be able to write our first email with an AI tool, which is writemail.ai. I hope to see you in the next course, where I introduce you to email marketing and the very tool you're going to use for email marketing. I hope to see you in the next video. See you there.